after December 16th, when that awful gang rape incident happened, my father gifted me one of this for self-protection. I never thought I'm going to see usage of this pepper spray bottle inside Parliament. When I went into the press gallery inside Lok Sabha this afternoon around 12 o'clock, after at least 3-4 days long suspense whether the bill is going to come or not come, finally I was told by Home Ministry officers as well as senior ministers that the bill is going to be tabled at 12. After very strict security checks, we reached the press gallery. The speaker walked in at around 12, and the moment she walked in, her name was announced. We saw Seemandhra MPs rushing into the well of the House. This has been something of a routine in the last few days, ever since the House has reconvened. In the second avatar of the winter session, Seemandhra MPs have been protesting and they have been sloganeering. So there was nothing amiss till that point. But just as Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde was rising to lay the bill, to introduce the Telangana bill, we saw MPs from various parties, from TDP, from Congress, all from Seemandhra region, getting very, very violent. L. Rajgopal took out a bottle of pepper spray, something like this, but a little bigger, and he started spraying. And initially you just didn't know what had hit you. MPs tried covering their face, the speaker started coughing, some said it could have been a mosquito repellent, others suspected if it was anything poisonous or harmful. Nobody had any idea what this was. Some of the marshals, other MPs tried to overpower Rajgopal, but he would just break free, go spray from one corner, rush to the others. In the meanwhile, just near the speaker's chair, other MPs, they were breaking the microphone, they were using stationery which the parliamentary staff were using. One person I saw took out a glass of water, that glass was broken down and was used as a missile. In fact, Kamal Nath later came out and said that a knife was wielded, but from what I could see, that microphone which had been yanked out, that was being brandished like a knife. For those 3-4 minutes, all of us in the press gallery were like shocked. We just didn't know what was happening. The speaker rose, she left from that room. The other MPs also were quickly trying to cover their faces and get out, because like I said, nobody knew what was being sprayed in the hall by L. Rajgopal. After that, we saw some of the MPs trying to shield Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, who was supposed to lay the bill. And in that melee, the people who came in for maximum attack of that pepper spray were the parliamentary secretariat staff who were sitting in the well doing their work. The first round of spray was directed towards them, then towards the treasury benches and the opposition benches as well. This entire process must have lasted less than 5 minutes. In 5 minutes it was all over. L. Rajgopal was overpowered by the marshals. They were taken away. MPs from Seemandhra and Telangana region came to blow with each other, but soon they were also taken away from each other and it all ended. After that, we saw ambulances coming in from Ram Manohar Lohia and Safdarjung hospitals, taking out the Karimnagar MP who was badly injured. At least 3 members of parliament were taken away in those ambulances. We still don't know how serious their injury is, because in that scuffle they must have fallen off or something must have hit them. Rajgopal insists that he was using the pepper spray in self-defense and he had to resort to using it because Telangana MPs were menacingly walking towards their Seemandhra counterparts. But from what I saw in Parliament today, I must tell you, this is something I had never seen before, not on television, not inside the hallows of democracy.